Shit. Walking in the rain. Just about to walk home from Victoria Park here, and I get to end it with a incredible burst of rain here. Coming out by the ponds. Which is a double set of ponds. Usually on the ground here, where I'm walking, see some sundews. Which are incredible carnivore plants. Ah, yeah, you can see them here. Here. Whoa! I tell you though, the rain feels nice. I'm in a t-shirt or a long sleeved shirt, a lake shirt, some shorts. So yeah, definitely getting wet. You can see it bouncing off the road. I'm trying to protect my camera in this bag. Hopefully it's keeping it waterproof. Oh, I dipped my camera into the Fundy. I was walking along the shallow section of Fundy and I dipped my camera into it. So it's been through worse. There's a lone duck out there in the pond. Very wet. I didn't think I was going to take any videos today because I couldn't find any inspiration to or any reason to take a video. But here we are. I think the rain's pretty interesting. It's always soothing to watch rain and hear it. So hopefully it translates well to video. Take a look at my lens. You might see my ugly face for a minute. Yeah, there's all kinds of water on my lens, but clearly there's nothing we can do about that. Shouldn't really affect the quality too much though. The amazing thing is, if I went into the forest underneath the canopy, say a large spruce or a conifer of any sort, you know, I'd be pretty much bone dry underneath that. It's the amazing thing there with softwoods, keep you dry. It's a good tip if you get caught out in the rain. I'll wash the lens off 1 second. This forest here, this whole bit of the park, I call this the Owl Alleyway. Because I've seen so many owls. The only time I've really seen owls are here and one other place in the park. trying to keep an eye out right now for any owls, actually. So if you see any sudden movements in the camera, it's probably because I'm just looking. Trying to spot an owl. Ooh, is it ever raining? It's nice though, the woods definitely needed this downpour. Everything needed this downpour. It's been so bone dry lately. Oh man, this is like getting a shower, an extra long shower. Good water pressure. Something I seldom rarely have at my own home. Woo. It's fun though. I wish I didn't have my DSLR with me. But it's awesome to walk through the rain. How do I look? Am I drenched? Is the brim of my hat an eavesdrop? I love it out here. I love the rain. It's been a long time since I walked through a storm like this.